Thokozani bantwana bedlozi, igama lami uMkhulusanele. I'm based in Boksburg, Johannesburg. Bantwana bedlozi, I would like to talk about idlozi and relationships. A lot of people suffer in relationships or to be in a relationship. Because you can't just date anyone. You cannot just be promiscuous. You cannot have 5 boyfriends. Ngapha uyaphahla uhamba nabadala, usuke uhamba nabadala kanjani? You have to ask. You ask from your ancestors for a partner if you want to be happy. You need to have someone who's going to understand you, someone who's going to respect you, someone who's going to respect idlozi lakho. Because people lack knowledge. As people lack knowledge, they tend to assume, they tend to judge us. These people who believe ukuthi inyanga, sangomas are people who don't pray. These people who believe ukuthi sikhonza amadlozi, which is not true. I like to disagree there. uNkulunkulu ngwethu sonke bantwana bedlozi. One thing that attracted me to uMkhulunkazi Mulo, yikuthi he's a person who always talks about God. Uyakwazi ukuhlanganisa uNkulunkulu nedlozi. Separate the two. We are all God's children, by the way. So when I started watching ama videos kaMkhulunkazi Mulo, I was like, this is the right person. This is the person who's going to help me. Ngaphahla ngabuza abadala. They approved. We do pray. So in a relationship, when you're in a relationship with someone who doesn't know anything, or in one of those people that tend to judge us, they'll think ukuthi wena is umntana edlozi uzomdlisa, uzomthakatha, uzoba into yakho. It's not like that. It's not like that. We pray thina, siyamazi uNkulunkulu wethu. And amadlozi are our parents. So if you want to be in a good relationship whereby you be happy and maybe get married, you should talk to your ancestors. Uyaphahla, uyayicela indoda bazokunikeza abadala, because they'll give you someone who's good for you. And also you need to be patient. But while uphahla, you can't be changing 20 guys. Come on. You can't be promiscuous. Respect yourself. Umntana edlozi uyazihlonipha because uhamba nabantu abadala. Awuhambi nama-teenagers. Unabadala, you have to respect yourself. Respect them. Abantu abakuwe. Then you'll understand. They'll give you someone you deserve. My phone number is 079 935 4947.